only thing I got left are a couple of voicemails and that big ass mirror that you got me for my own. Was gonna throw it out too, but then the wall would be empty. When I look at it sometimes I see you, but I'm making dinner for one, drinking whiskey for fun on the weekends. Kiss the boy that kisses way better than you. Don't think it's gonna go anywhere, but I'm getting back in my body. After 2 years of giving it to you. Some days I wish we were good, but I'ma go on my life, you go on with your life, and I hope that our lives don't cross paths. It's better off like that. Yeah, I'ma go on my life, you go on with your life, and I hope the past stays in the past. It's better off like that. Cause if I'm being honest, when I go to the grocery store I worry that I'ma turn that corner, run right into you. It would take me all the way back, rewind the good I'm feeling, back to the start of getting over you. Some days I wish we were good. Some days I wish we were good, but I'ma go on my life, you go on with your life, and I hope that our lives don't cross paths. It's better off like that. Yeah, I'ma go on my life, you go on with your life, and I hope the past stays in the past.